Understanding the importance of inner child healing. In today's fast-paced world, many people find themselves struggling with emotional wounds from their past that continue to impact their present-day lives. These wounds are often rooted in childhood experiences, shaping how individuals relate to themselves and others as adults. Inner child healing is a powerful practice that can help individuals heal these emotional wounds and cultivate a deeper sense of self-love and compassion. What is inner child healing? Inner child healing is a therapeutic process that involves connecting with and nurturing the wounded inner child within us. This wounded inner child represents the emotional pain and trauma that we experience during our formative years. By engaging in inner child healing, individuals can address unresolved issues, release negative patterns, and cultivate a sense of wholeness and self-empowerment. How does inner child healing work? Inner child healing works by helping individuals reparent themselves and provide the care and nurturing that their inner child may have lacked during childhood. This process often involves a combination of therapeutic techniques, such as guided visualization, inner child meditations, journaling, and somatic experiencing. By creating a safe and nurturing space for the inner child to express itself, individuals can begin to heal past wounds and develop a more loving and compassionate relationship with themselves. Benefits of inner child healing. Healing emotional wounds. Inner child healing can help individuals heal deep-seated emotional wounds and traumas from their past, leading to greater emotional resilience and well-being. Building self-compassion. By nurturing the inner child within, individuals can cultivate a sense of self-love and self-compassion, leading to healthier relationships with oneself and others. Breaking free from negative patterns. Inner child healing can help individuals break free from negative patterns and behaviors that stem from unresolved childhood wounds, allowing them to live more authentically and in alignment with their true selves. Tips for practicing inner child healing. Connect with your inner child. Take time to connect with your inner child through journaling, creative expression, or meditation. Listen to what your inner child needs and offer love and support. Practice self-compassion. Be gentle and kind with yourself as you navigate the process of inner child healing. Embrace your vulnerabilities and treat yourself with the same care and compassion you would offer a child. Seek professional support. Consider working with a therapist or counselor who specializes in inner child healing to guide you through the process and provide additional support and insights. Conclusion. Inner child healing is a transformative practice that can help individuals heal from past wounds, cultivate self-love, and live more authentic and fulfilling lives. By connecting with our inner child and offering care and compassion, we can heal the scars of the past and embrace a brighter future filled with love, joy, and emotional resilience.